the path where the rhythm flow, feet in the sand while the cool breeze blow. Sunset glowing like a fiery show, truth in the air, let the wisdom grow. Step on the path where the vibes not stray, step on the path where the drum beats play, step on the path where the soul feels free, step on the path, come walk with me. Step on the path where the vibes not stray, step on the path where the drum beats play, step on the path where the soul feels free, step on the path, come walk with me. Raindrops fall, them a tap on the leaves. Nature a chant, feel the roots beneath. The moonlight dance with the stars in tune. The heartbeat drum, it a guide we soon. What you seek, you might just find in the rhythm, in the rhyme. What you seek, you might just find in the rhythm, in the rhyme. Step on the path where the vibes not stray, step on the path where the drum beats play, step on the path where the soul feels free, step on the path, come walk with me. Step on the path where the vibes not stray, step on the path where the drum beats play, step on the path where the soul feels free, step on the path, come walk with me. Echoes calling through the hills and plains, carrying love through the sunshine and rain. But this truth remains. Step on the path where the spirit sustain.
Ancestors whisper through the mango tree. Barefoot walk on the dusty street. Every step a story, every word a beat. Deh Yah Fi love, Deh Yah Fi fight, Deh Yah Fi morning, Deh Yah Fi night, Deh Yah Fi truth, Deh Yah Fi song, Deh Yah Fi rise when Babylon fall down. Smoke spirals up where the rhythm don't stop. Irie breeze through the coconut leaves. Every breath a prayer, every song believes. Lion in the valley roars so low, echo through the hills where the rivers flow. Time stretch long like a dub delay. Still Deh Yah Fi live, still Deh Yah Fi stay. Deh Yah Fi love, Deh Yah Fi fight, Deh Yah Fi morning, Deh Yah Fi night, Deh Yah Fi truth, Deh Yah Fi song, Deh Yah Fi right. trees. Secrets heavy, but they float so light, like smoke curling in the pale moonlight. Them whisper, I hear it clear. Them whisper, but I feel no fear. Truth rides the rhythm, and the rhythm is near. Them whisper, it all disappears. Echoes bounce off the city walls, feel like rain in the quiet falls. Every word a spark in the darkened air, fading quick but still hanging there. What they say, it don't define me. Roots are deep, and they can't blind me. Them whisper, I hear it clear. Them whisper, but I feel no fear. Truth rides the rhythm, and the rhythm is near. Them whisper, it all disappears. Shadows dance where the streetlights break. Every sound a ripple on the lake. They speak of storms, but the sky stays blue. Let them talk, I got my own view. Down by the market lane, where the sun never complain. Rusty cats and mango stains. Fisherman humming a tune, wily goats them jump by the moon. Life feels sweet but gone too soon. The market lane, oh the market lane, where the world feels small yet so insane.
shadows creep while the sun lay low. Whisper secrets where the cold winds blow. A hidden dance where no one can see. Them shadows laugh, but they don't fool me. These shadows, they move so sly, creeping round corners of the moonlit sky. These shadows, they tell no lie, but they fade away when the sun gets high. Footsteps echo in the darkened lane, the rhythm of life in a silent refrain. A flicker of light and it's gone so fast. The shadows cling but they never last. Who's in the dark? Who's watching the game? The shadows hold faces but never a name. Echoes of laughter, a ghostly sound. The shadows keep secrets, they never bound. These shadows, they move so sly, creeping round corners under moonlit sky. These shadows, they tell no lie, but they'll fade away when the sun gets high. The shadows live where the light won't go. An endless rhythm in a silent flow. But when the morning breaks, they fade away. The shadows can't stay when it's a brand new day.
Sound we a chase, it not go straight. Bassline deep like the ocean sway. Echo bouncing at the rhythm play. Them vibes are heal, them vibes are stay. Feel the sound, keep it rolling round and round. Feel the sound, lift we up, we off the ground. every drop whispering for ease the pain. Them clouds roll high, but my spirit won't change. Fill me heart, fill me soul. Fill the love me can't control. Oh, fill me heart, fill me soul. River run deeper, my love run deeper. Life are the teacher, my soul are the seeker. Roots grow strong though the storm gets steeper. Them can't shake my faith, no they can't. Stand firm in the truth, hold my child. Fill me heart, fill me soul. Fill the love me can't control. Oh, fill me heart, fill me soul. The rhythm call me, the rhythm save me. Dub vibrations like the earth embrace me. Every scan can, every echo raise me. The sun falls down the western hill. Moonrise comes, the air stands still. Shadows dance on the cracked old sill. Keep turning, keep turning. The world keeps burning. Keep turning, keep turning. Our hearts keep yearning. Raindrops tap on the rooftop tin. A rhythm plays where life begins. Roots dig deep, the earth will spin. One step forward, no looking back. The tide rolls in, it finds no slack. Keep turning, keep turning. The fire keeps burning. Keep turning, keep turning. The wheel keeps churning. Mountains crumble, rivers bend. Seasons shift, but they never end. In a cycle we transcend.
the sky aglow. Them talk to me, them talk to you. Silent truths, old and new. Light from the shine on me. Light from the set me free. Oh,
tell you the truth, may you listen to me. The shadow where the drum line fades, the moonlight dances where the roots are laid. Whispers call upon the silent breeze. Truth is a song carried by the trees. Upon the silent, upon the silent. Words unsaid but so defiant. Upon the silent, where the heartbeats go. Echoes rise from the undertow. Sacred vapors fill the sky. Lift me up, I'm floating high. Sacred vapors make me see the world as it's meant to be. Drifting slow through a velvet haze, lost in echoes, lost in waves. The ground below feels far away. In sacred vapors I will stay. Breathe it in the ancient air. Breathe it in and find me there. Sacred vapors fill the sky. Lift me up, I'm floating high. Sacred vapors make me see the world as it's meant to be. The stars they call, they pull me through. Colors burst in every hue. Time stands still in this strange glow. Sacred vapors, let it flow. The silent moon, it climbs so slow over the hills where the cool winds blow. Whispers of night through the tall bamboo. Shadows dance, but they never knew. Silent moon, hanging high, lighting the dune. Silent moon, guiding me through this sweet tune. The stars they wink like they know my name. Crickets chirp in a timeless game. The earth breathes deep as the tide rolls in. A rhythm of life beneath my skin. Oh, silent moon, tell me your secret soon. Silent moon, hanging high, lighting the dune. Silent moon, guiding me through this sweet tune.
ballads it don't recall. Life a riddle, but who solve it all? Tings them, always on my mind. Tings them, running out of time. Oh, the tings them, they never align. The stars wings slide through the smoky haze. Feet keep moving in a rhythm days. John knows the game, but he don't play. Still the tings them way heavy each day, yeah. Turn up the bass, let the rhythm flow. Tings them linger, but we let them go. Tings them, always on my mind. Tings them, running out of time. Oh, the tings them, they never align. Where the sound meets the sea, lost in the dub, let the spirit run free. Questions rise like smoke from a tree, but answers fall silent like leaves in the breeze.
Sunrise whispers to the sea. A gentle breeze hums harmony. Drums roll slow like a heartbeat steady. Life feels heavy, but my soul stays ready. To me track, to me track. Let the rhythm bring me back. To me track, to me track, to me track. In the bassline I unpack. Clouds drift lazy, painting skies.
every groove.
Smell of spices